Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a truly exciting development, the granting of Europe's first vertical rocket launch license. It's a monumental moment for the UK space industry, specifically Shetland.
Absolutely, this is huge. So, Rocket Factory Augsburg, RFA, a German company, snagged the license from the Civil Aviation Authority, CAA, right? That's a big deal.
Precisely. They've been given the green light to launch up to 10 rockets annually from the Saxavord spaceport in Shetland. 10 rockets a year. Think about that. This is a game changer for European space access.
And it's not just any rockets. They'll be carrying small satellites and other payloads. This license is a first for Europe, outside of the established ESA site in Kourou, French Guiana. That's impressive.
It really is. Jorn Sperman, RFA's co-founder, called it a groundbreaking moment, and I think that's a fair assessment. It shows Europe's commitment to independent and sustainable space access. It's a bold step towards becoming a more competitive player in the global space race.
I see. Interesting. But didn't RFA have a bit of a setback last year? Wasn't there a rocket engine explosion during a test?
Yes, there was a hot fire test that ended in an explosion. It caused some damage to the launch platform and completely destroyed the engine. However, they're clearly moving forward. They're planning a new hot fire test soon, and their first test flight is already fully booked with 7 German companies.
Wow, that's resilience. So, this first test flight, what's the plan?
The RFA-1 rocket, a 30-meter behemoth, will launch from Launch Pad 1, nicknamed Fredo. It'll travel northwest over the Norwegian Sea and the North Pole, aiming for an orbit about 500 kilometers above Earth. They're realistic about the chances of a successful orbital insertion on the first attempt, calling it a test flight.
Got it. And what about the spent rocket stages? Are they going to try and recover them like SpaceX?
No. Unlike Elon Musk's Starship, RFA's approach is different. The first and second stages will fall into the sea, creating an artificial reef, a rather unique and environmentally conscious approach, I'd say.
That's a fascinating twist. It's a bit different from the usual space debris concerns. So what's the overall impact of this license?
It's huge for Scotland and the UK as a whole. Richard Lochhead, the Scottish government business minister, called it a monumental moment for the Scottish space sector. It highlights Scotland's growing capabilities, not just in satellite manufacturing, but now also in launching them. Other companies, like Orbex and Skyrora, are also vying for their own licenses. So this is just the beginning.
Indeed. It seems like Shetland is becoming a major player in the European space industry. This is a really exciting development, and a testament to the innovation and collaboration happening in the space sector.
Absolutely. It's a thrilling time for space exploration, and this is a significant step forward. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We'll keep you updated on further developments. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.